Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Unstoppable family, that right there was Jahshii in the beginning. You know, see, a long time the youth are doing thing and love the music. Yo, the man say, when him done get him education, him a go get him girlfriend and then start all over again. People, me like it. Is what I say. But anyway, the topic today is still Jahshii. Yes, Jahshii and his entertainment report interview. Because I know nobody no come out and say anything that Jahshii said in that interview was wrong. Not one person can ever come and say that because them know say are the truth. The man talk in mind and him keep it factual. Everything what him say are true. But then you have some people like this system. We're gonna try to tear him down because them no want nobody know the truth, even though everybody already know it, you know. You understand? But we're gonna tell you something right now. Dr. Led is a brother over there on Instagram where him talk in mind too. You understand? Him see certain things and him just voice him concerns about it. And Dr. Led had a few things to say pertaining to Jahshii and the things them were going. But one thing where Dr. Led said, where me agree with, Dr. Led said, listen, had it been one of the big name them, one of the top veteran artists them, I'm going to put them name here in it. Shaggy, Sean Paul, Beanie Man, Bounty Killer, any one of them artists here who said the very same thing about corruption and who corrupted in Jamaica, everybody would have been on board and saying, yeah man, nobody would not try to tear them down. But because Jahshii is an upcoming artist, because Jahshii just a shine, them feel like say, yo, we can drag him down, man. No, the man talk facts and everything where the man say on point. People, make we listen what Dr. Led I said now this.
I watched an interview with dancehall artist Jahshii. And I can't help but frown upon the prejudice that exists in Jamaica. Jahshii is evidently a hardcore ghetto youth. He lives what he knows. He is a product of where he's from. So he is true to himself. And you have him in an interview. Had he gone to UTech or UE and graduated with honors, no media person would have gone to Grand Spence to interview him, to publish his life story, to motivate other young men who want to be like him. No. But because you all, media personnel, are logging on to the music, which is also an easy way to have bread for you too, not just the artists. You know, interview these kids and think you can intimidate them. Now the young man turned the interview around. Now him a interview the interviewer. You understand? And because of his presentation and his appearance and the demographics that he represents, he's now a bad person. Had Bounty Killer or Ninja Man or Junior Gang or Capleton or Sizzler done the same interview, it would have gone viral. But because it's a kid, early 20s, it's the age discrimination. It don't mean nothing now because I want a little youth to say it. You understand? But everything that Jahshii said in that interview needed to be said. Respect Jahshii, big up yourself. A lot of you guys who have made it in this industry become millionaires. You want to tell younger kids how to do it, but you're not giving them a helping hand. If you're not help, shut them out, man. If you're not doing nothing for you, them not criticize them either. Allow them, make them do what they do. Let them do it how they know too. Because you did not teach them anything. So therefore you have no input into what they're doing. Jahshii tell us that he's drinking on the interview because he's celebrating. The only way to a media interview for a ghetto youth is music or sports. Even if them go college and become the greatest attorney QC, you're not going to see them. So let the youth them celebrate. And the elders who are not supporting the youths, allow them to man. No have nothing to say, man. No input. No have no input because you were not there when they were trying to break. You were not there to offer them a helping hand. So allow them.
Dr. Led not done yet, you know, because Jahshii in the same ER interview call a few names, Shabba Ranks for example, right? Now Shabba Ranks himself no come out and say nothing yet, but Shabba Ranks road manager said some not so nice things and it now sit well with Jamaicans. Him address Jahshii and him call Jamaica that place. That place. But anyway, this is what Dr. Led have to say about that.
I tell you about the hypocrisy and biases that exist among the Jamaican people. Jahshii did an interview apparently without proper guidance. Jahshii is a young ghetto youth trying to find footing for himself, his family, and ultimately his community. And he made that clear in his interview. He was not disrespectful to any of his elders. He spoke on situations exactly how he see them. A lot of these acclaimed and successful international dancehall superstars are not supportive of the younger acts, and that's realistic. Now, everybody want to kill him. Media house hold him and them mill him and them mill him and them mill him like coffee beans. He overcame all that pressure. Now, shortly after the release of his video, big up to Shabba Ranks, the great Shabba Ranks, done a lot of work for us. I am sure you, Shabba Ranks, should not or cannot be in agreement with your manager who came out and publicly referred to Jahshii as a piece of shit. Now I hope the media house won't cut off phone neck, because if a young man who's trying to do good for himself, the people around him, and ultimately his culture is a piece of shit, why are you, Mr. Shabba Ranks manager, Mr. Ennis or whatever your name is, so involved in this shitty culture that you're collecting bread from this shitty culture? Jahshii is a representative of the culture. Likewise, the artists that you represent. I hope the media houses are catching on to this. So because you're this international intellectual manager, you will not get milled? No, you deserve to get milled. First of all, why compare Jahshii to Shabba Ranks? Jahshii is a young man trying to break. Shabba Ranks is already internationally acclaimed. That's a dumb comparison to begin with. Then you're gonna style the young man as a piece of shit. We will see where the shit is, and we're gonna see who the real shit is.
Alright, Unstoppable family, what do you think? What do you say about what Dr. Led have to say? And how do you feel about what Shabba Ranks road manager come out and say? See, now the thing about it is, big up to Shabba Ranks. Yes, he is a well-known artist we out there do the thing and you put Jamaica on the map. But at the end of the day, nobody no bigger than Jamaica. That is what you need to remember. Nobody is bigger than Jamaica. You might have sold 500,000 copies and this and that, but at the end of the day, my family, remember, at Jamaica are your born land, and you should have put your manager in check and make him understand himself and say, yo, brother, you can't talk them things about my place. But anyway, viewers, want to talk to me down below in the comment section. Make me hear what you have to say about this. See, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out.
Youngest artist in a builders. Man, man, rock with me. I'm Jahshii, I'm come from Gunpen. Don't wanna go, me want my book and my pen. What don't take it, my lesson, me gonna meet my girlfriend. And then me start over and over again, cause I'm Jahshii, I'm come from Gunpen. Don't wanna go, me want my book and my pen. What me don't take it, my lesson, me gonna meet my girlfriend. And then me start over and over again. If it's a lawyer, I wanna be that. If it's a doctor, I wanna be that. If it's an engineer, I wanna be that. But Jahshii now become a idiot. Be a one juvenile, my education come first. Me not gonna rap my body, yo, me not gonna get my purse. Tired to see the youth, them all lay down in the earth. You want rid of you first, cause I'm Jahshii, I'm come from Gunston. Don't wanna go, me want my book and my pen. When me done taking my lesson, me I gonna meet my girlfriend. And then me start over and over again, cause I'm Jahshii, I'm come from Gunston. Don't wanna go, me want my book and my pen. When me done taking my lesson, me I gonna meet my girlfriend. My teacher tell me education is the key. Me know further right answer my ABC. No boy in the class, you no bright like me. Me know for spell cat that I C-A-T. And me know for spell rat that I R-A-T. Me know for subtract 2 from. Don't take my lesson, me I go meet my girlfriend. And then me start over and over again, cause I'm Jahshii, I'm come from Gunston.
Right. No, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.